This right here is a $10,000 prop firm trading account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw your profit. So all you just need to do is to sign up, vote for Blueberry Funded as the best broker, like the post your screenshots of the votes under the comment section, and your 10K account will be given to you. So make sure you watch this till the end so you don't miss any step, and you can get your own $10,000 prop firm account without stress. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. So if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so you can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you over to this interface. So you can see the name of the site, which is Blueberry Funded. Okay, and the Christmas came early at Blueberry Funded. So you can see it. We have to get $10,000 account for free, 100% guaranteed. So how are we to get that $10,000? So the first thing you need to do is to log into your propfirmmatch.com. So you are going to make use of your Chrome browser. Then you have to vote for Blueberry Funded as best broker prop firm in 2025. Then after that, you have to like this post. After that, then you have to post your screenshots. After voting, you post the screenshots of it to the comment section. So you're going to post your screenshot of the vote under the comment section. So once you're done doing that, then you're going to get your $10,000 account on the 17th of this month, 2025. Okay, so that is how to get the $10,000 account. So you can see it right here, get free 10K challenge. Okay, so just vote for Blueberry Funded prop firm match as the best broker prop firm of 2026. So that is all that you need to do. Okay, so let's get started. So let's click on propfirmmatch.com. So we're going to be making use of your browser. Okay, you can see that it's loading. Yes, so this is it right here. This is it right here. So you can see it. You can see the prop firm match awards 2025. Okay, you can see the most popular prop firms. So this is it right here. So now the next thing that we have to do is to sign up. Yes, we have to sign up because you need to have an account for you to be able to vote and send screenshots. Okay, so you're just going to sign up right here. That's the next thing for you to do. So you can sign up using your Google, or you can sign up with your email, anyone that you want to use. Okay, so you're just going to be inputting your full name, your email, and your password. Then you're going to agree to the terms and privacy policy, and you also consent to receiving marketing emails. Okay, and it's strictly for one account per user. So once you're done doing that, you click on sign up, or if you already have an account, you can just log in. So let's click on login. So you can see it right here. Welcome back. Please sign in to continue. So you can make use of your Apple or your Google or your email address. So once you're done doing that, you click on continue. Okay, so let's sign up. After you're done signing up, the next thing that we have to do is to vote for Blueberry Funded as the best broker backed prop firm in 2025. Okay, so we're just going to click on this prop firm match awards 2025. So we'll click on explore. Yes, so you can see we're going to click on the Traders Choice Award. We'll click on the Traders Choice Award. Yeah, so you can see we have 18 hours left. 18 hours 46 minutes before the voting ends. Okay, so go and do yours right now. As once you see this video, just quickly go and claim yours right now. Okay, so you can see the best prop firm of 2025. You can see the best future prop firms of 2025. So you're going to be seeing best prop firms right here. Okay, but we want to vote for Blueberry. Okay, we want to vote for Blueberry. So we're just going to click on vote. You can also click on see all. So you can see that you need an account. Yes, you need to sign up first before you can be able to vote. Okay, so once you sign up, then you can be able to vote. Okay, so like I said before, that you have to sign up before you can be able to vote. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see complete onboarding. So we have to complete onboarding first before we can be able to vote. So that is what we are doing right here. You have to select your country. So my country is Nigeria. Okay, so after that you click on next. Then you have to select five forex prop firms that are your best. Okay, which is what I'm doing right here. So you can see it. After that, you can see that I've done the onboarding already. So the onboarding is completed. Okay, so we have to go back to Trader's Choice. So you can see it right here. So right now I want to vote since we're done completing the onboarding. So we'll click on Very Funded. Yes, then we'll click on Vote. So after voting, you can see it's confirmed. So your vote has been submitted. So you're going to screenshot it, then we'll head over to Twitter to upload it right there. So you can see your vote has been submitted. So we have to screenshot. Okay, then head over to Twitter to upload it. Yes, we also screenshot the other one too. So you can see I'm uploading it right here. You can just let them know that you've done it. So this is how to do it right here. So once you're done screenshotting and uploading it under the comment section, then you are going to receive your 10K prop firm account. It's as easy as that. So just let me know under the comment section if you got it. And don't forget, they will start distributing the 10K account on the 17th. Okay, on the 17th, which is tomorrow. Okay, so just do well to go and claim yours right now. Do well to vote right now. As you're seeing this video, just go and start voting. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.